welcome back to my channel. Guys, so today's Saturday the 18th of March 2023. It's been a while since I did like a vlog or like a video, and I was going through YouTube yesterday and I saw a video of resetting the whole Saturday on Sunday, resetting for the week and all of that, and I was like, why couldn't I do that as well for you guys? And ta-da! But I'm not gonna be doing. Close the door. So today's actually Saturday, so my own video is going to start on Saturday and probably Sunday. So my exams are starting next week, my final exams on the shores of private college. I'm super excited to just leave this college. Like I'm growing, I'm a big girl. Yeah. So I'm preparing for my first semester exam, and yeah, so I'll be going to study camp tomorrow, that's Sunday. So yeah, so I have like some interesting things to do today. So I already packed, like today is my reset day, so I already packed. I'm gonna go clean my shoes, I'm gonna go clean the room, and then we already fetched water. Today's Saturday, so tap has been opened and we have fetched water. And yeah, funny story, guys. I think I need to share it with you guys. So lately the water issue is becoming like so bad here, and they alternate it. So the tap opens on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So we, like, when you go early, your containers, you take your containers to the tap early, you would fetch water early and just leave the place, right? So people are very much like determined and very much dedicated to that. So people wake up, like they usually open the tap at like 8ish to 9, and because of like you want to be the first to fetch water, so people go there like 5 a.m. 4 a.m. to go and leave their containers. So they'll be the first people to fetch their water. So funny story, I woke up this morning by 5:30, guys. This, like, I don't know what the time is right now, I mean, just 2 hours ago, and I wake up like 5:30. I already prayed, had my devotion and all of that. So I decided to go leave my container there, and just imagine 5:30 I already met another container there. Like, I even set alarm. It's like, this is like a work now, like this is like a commitment that has been on my schedule for Mondays and Saturdays. Like, I would make sure I go leave, because now that I was like the second person to leave my container, I fetch my water, I'm here relaxing, although I have errands. So, but like, if you take your containers like late, you will not leave that. Literally, you would spend the whole day fetching water, right? Okay, so it's like 9 a.m. and I woke up like 5:30, right? So just imagine, like, they opened tap not long ago and I already fetched my water. So this is like an advantage, but like it's like a schedule. Okay, so what else? I'm going to be going for practice, and yeah, and I'm not been feeling well lately, but by stripes I am very much healed. But I'm not be feeling, so I will probably next week I'll probably go to the hospital. And I'm sure you guys are wondering, you're sweating and you're wearing jackets. That's because I'm not feeling too good, and I've been feeling weak. Like, I couldn't study for that long at night, and I was like on and off, and I feel so weak and all. So I'm having like black coffee, at least to just put me in the mood, like just to get me upset. So yeah, I think basically that's it. You guys are gonna come along with me for just to reset my day. Ooh. And guys, I don't know when this video is going to be up, because uploading lately has been like a job. Like, it has been so hard. Like, it's been so hard because of the cost of data and the way data finishes, like ASAP, like snapping. So that's it. But today I think I'm gonna film another video prior to this one. So yeah. So I don't know when I'm gonna take the camera again. So yeah, basically that's it. I've not finished cleaning yet, so I'm just gonna relax for a while because I have done some things and I feel like a bit weak and shaky. So I'm just gonna have my black coffee. See the steam, right? I don't want to be steamy, like I don't want it hot. So I'm just gonna let that cool down and yeah. Alright, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're on the road to 700 subscribers, and yeah, so share and watch the video to the end. I'm gonna try as much as possible to spice up my video so you'd be glued to your camera and your phone. So yeah. Thank you, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, all right, so two. So